Bristol radar, good morning, Thomson at 644, descending flight level 110, heading 180,787, information Sierra 1011.
Thomson 644, Bristol radar, hello, vectoring ILS approach runway 09, get about 40 track miles from there.
Roger, Thomson 644.
Thomson 644, descend to altitude 2,500 feet.
Altitude 2,500 feet, Thomson 644.
I might be buttoning up later. Well, it's maybe
Thomson 644, turn left at 120 degrees, cleared ILS 09.
Left 120 degrees, cleared ILS 09, Thomson 644. Thomson 644, localised established 8 miles.
Thomson 644, contact Bristol Tower 133.850, calling.
13385, Thomson 644, thanks, Billy. Bristol Tower, good morning, Thomson 644, just coming fully established ILS 097 miles.
Thomson 644, Bristol Tower, good morning, runway 09, cleared to land, subsequent to 70 degrees, 16 knots.
Runway 09, cleared land, Thomson 644.
Uniform Papa, hold up with Golf X-ray, line up on wake runway 09.
Golf X-ray, line up on wake runway 09, 9F47, Uniform Papa.
Thomson 644, continue along the runway to vacate second left via taxiway Bravo, then taxi stand 26.
Vacate by Bravo and then stand 26, Thomson 644.
And welcome to Bristol.
Thank you very much.
Sweepers now vacated and closed on the apron.
Sweeper, roger, Vicky.
Power on 3 Mike, Romeo stand 2, QNH 101, for best position start.
Line 3 Mike, Romeo, roger, hold position, and I have a clearance where you're waiting.
Hold position, right now, 2, 3 Mike.
Are you ready for your clearance?
FM.
Line 3 Mike, Romeo, cleared to Dublin, Brecon 1 Zulu departure, squawk 7770.
Dublin, Brecon 1 Zulu, squawk 7770, right 3 Mike Romeo.
Line 3 Mike, Romeo, read back correct.
Starboard A1 Delta, request taxi in turn, please.
Starboard A1 Delta Romeo follows the Dreamliner, taxi on point Golf X-ray, runway 09, QNH 1011.
And the Dreamliner, Golf X-ray for 09, 1011, Starboard A1 Delta Romeo. Good morning, Thomson at 644 Heavy, on stand 26787, 800 information. Victor, requesting push and start. We're happy to get clearance from taxi.
Thomson at 644, just stand 26, push and start approved, runway 09 in use.
Push and start approved, 09 in use, Thomson 644.
Juliet Bravo, contact Bristol radar 136. 136.075, bye-bye. 136.075, Midland Hotel Juliet runway. Just check that 136.075. FM 136.075, Midland Hotel Juliet runway.
Thomson 644, request taxi.
Thomson 644, taxi holding point Golf X-ray, QNH 1011, I have your clearance when you're ready.
Taxi holding point Golf X-ray, QNH 1011, and ready to copy clearance, Thomson 644.
Easy 13 Papa Charlie, taxi stand number 1.
Stand number 1 is you 13 Papa Charlie, taxi.
Thomson 644 is cleared to Cancun on a Brecon 1 X-ray departure, Christian Brecon 1 Zulu departure, squawk 7750.
Cleared to Cancun, Brecon 1 Zulu departure, squawk 7750, Thomson 644.
You're back correct. Thomson 644, keep going up the hill, via Golf X-ray, line up on weights runway 09. I have no inbound traffic report ready for departure.
Clear line up 09 and we'll go Thomson 644.
Thomson 644, runway 09, cleared for takeoff, surface wind 060 degrees, 15 knots.
Clear takeoff Thomson 644.
Yes, for Charlie Quebec, taxi holding point Golf X-ray, QNH 1011. Golf X-ray 1011, ETA3, Charlie Quebec. Bristol radar 136.075, bye bye.
136.075.